YouTube? How you doing tonight? It's Saturday night, and like most of you out there, you're going to be preparing a quick meal for the family or for yourself. I know you might be saying to yourself, who is this guy with no beard? I decided to change it up. It's a new year. Beards grow back. Got some things going on, some possible interviews next week. So I got to change it up a little bit, but it's all good. My food won't suffer. But thanks anyways. And a lot of you have reached out already. I appreciate the compliments. Tonight we're gonna do something I love to do and the family loves to eat, which is Mexican food, or as they say in Brazil, comida mexicana. So tonight we will be doing a guacamole, and we will also be doing some chicken quesadillas for the adults and beef tacos for the kids. So stay tuned and let's get cracking.
It's really good.
Yeah? Good. What's it taste like?
Guacamole.
Giovanna, você tá querendo uma chip? Dá. Aqui, ó. Você quer provar? Is it good? All right. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Pro tip number 1. tip number
Bye-bye.
2.
Bye-bye,
I love you. I love her.
Que no me importa que la distancia.
All right, guys, so this is it. Super easy, quick for your family, for your friends. Saturday night deliciousness, comida mexicana, quesadillas. Get some. Here we go. Cheers, y'all. Man, I just want to beat my face up with this. Oh my God. Super cheesy, super flavorful. I got all the tomatoes, all the cilantro, all of the onions, the chicken, the spices, and the crunchy tortilla. Awesome, guys. I'm gonna finish up doing the rest of the meals for everybody else here. Again, thank you so much for watching me tonight. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And hit the show more beneath the video. And I'm gonna put the, not only the instructions, but the ingredients that I used today. So cheers, you guys. Have a wonderful night. Ciao. How good is it, buddy?
It's so good.
Yeah? How many times do you want tacos now a week?
5.
Tell me about it. Tell people how it tastes.
It's delicious. So good.
All right, buddy. Have a good night.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.